Hi everyone, Tatiana from the Greenbird Bead Kingdom is here, and today I'm going to make a pair of earrings to complement my necklace we did last week. You can find the link to this video here on the description field under this tutorial. We are going to make today a pair of earrings to complement my necklace, and it's going to look like this. Now here's the list of what you will need. You will need plastic beads. Take huge plastic, like in my case these daisy beads, daisy pendants, and it's lightweight. That means you can use a lot of pendants in one earring, and it's going to be very lightweight and it won't bother you at all. So you will need plastic beads, plastic pendants. Also, I'm using these hoops, these findings for earrings, couple of bails. I'm going to use this nice daisy looking bail, but you can also use something like this. Actually, there are many types of bails that suit these hoops perfectly. So I'm going to use this one with flower design. Also, you will need a chain. Like in my case, I'm using this type of chain. It's something like 1 by 3 millimeter. I've cut two pieces of it. One is about 3 inches and one is about 1 inch. And now it's the time to make it happen. I will show you how. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because there are going to be a lot of nice and interesting tutorials in the future. Okay, it's time for creative process. What are we going to do now? I'm going to take a small jump ring, take around 5 to 6 millimeter jump ring, just the size that accommodates your pendant. And then put this chain here, add it to the jump ring and close it. Take your tool and close like this. Now take smaller jump ring. I'm going to use this oval. It's approximately 3 by 4 millimeters, and I'm going to attach it here. Put a pendant on it and add a bail like this. And now it's time to close this jump ring like this with your tools. Okay, we are finished, and we can add this to our earring. And it's going to look like this. I like it, it's gorgeous. You can make the second one absolutely in the same manner, so they will look exactly the same, symmetrical in your ears. You can use this one as a mono earring, or we can add some interest by making them symmetrical, and I will show you how. The second one is going to be yellow plus violet, and they are going to be like this. So this is the first earring, and this one we will have the yellow on top and the violet in the bottom. Then there will be this chain which connects them and a bail. So let's assemble it in this manner. I'm going to take a jump ring, it's 5 millimeters, add a pendant, then add a chain. It's approximately 1 inch chain, and then close this jump ring like this. Then take smaller jump ring, it's oval, 3 by 4 millimeters approximately, and add your pendant here, and then attach it to the bail like this and close the jump ring. Now we are going to add this violet daisy here by using again 5 to 6 millimeter round jump ring. We'll open it. We're going to open it first here, then add pendant, add chain, and then close it with your second tool. So we're finished with the second earring. Woohoo! Woohoo! Ta-da! Isn't it gorgeous? I like how they look like. Now it's time for a hard decision. I have to choose which pair I'm going to try on. And while I'm doing this, you can check the video in the comments, in the description of this video, and here I've shown you how to make this. This is not a bracelet exactly, it used to be a choker, a necklace, but I decided to wear it as a bracelet. So a choker makes a double bracelet, and here you can find a link to the video and see how we did this. I've already showed you how to do this. Beautiful, just simply beautiful. Now it's your turn. Go and make a pair for yourself or someone you really love. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video if you like the tutorial, and leave something in the comments. I really want to see what you think about designs, maybe what you want me to create for you next time. So thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye!